Huwag ka maingay. Ay! Nasa-apply tuloy. Ay! Lapoy! Kung ang mag-video? Ay, ako po pagkat kasi. Tayo! Ayan mo to. Nga ba tumakas? Parang
Reyes, last 18 seconds of time. Still very good. Para nagkakalit, Reza to the one time of Reyes. Last Reyes Reyes. Reyes Reyes. That's 55 seconds. Last 153 seconds. Dan biasa menghormati seconds. 18 seconds. Reyes done. Last 35 seconds. Last 22 seconds. By Garcia, last Reyes. Last 2 yang
Tingnan mo na kaya. Nag-aisas? Tira! Tira, tira, tira!
Inbound by Macaurog, pass to Del Barrio. Del Barrio, kumbaga, good for 2 points, Del Barrio. Nakangirit pati si Papa mo. Reyes, last 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Reyes, sa gitna, no good, rebound by Macaurog. Pass to Brutas. Brutas. Traveling violation.
Highlights ko ta!
Committed by
Highlights ko ta!
4 minutes and 34 seconds. Macaurog. Pass to Del Barrio. Pass to Giron. Traveling violation. Hakbang muna bago dribble. Inbound by Ruscuata. Pass to Reyes. Last 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Pass to Ruscuata. Ruscuata. Jump! No good. Rebound by Rosales. Rosales nagmamadali. Lays up. Good for 2 points. Deadlock 10. Deadlock 10. Ugurutas. No good. Rebound by Pasea. Pass to Brutas. No good. Rebound by Macaurog. Macaurog, nagmamadali. Pastor Rosales, good for 2 points. Change favor. 12-10 in favor of ball is live. No good. Rebound by Giron. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Giron, nagmamadali. Good for 2 points. Ibang by Basea, pass to Brutas. Good for 3 points. Reyes, inbound by Del Barrio, pass to Giron. Foul of Brutas. First personal foul, first team foul. Time out. Called by Looban.
Adi ba yun? Pagod.
Ibang by Espanyol, pass to Del Barrio. Del Barrio sumalaksak sa gitna, no good. Rebound by Garcino, jump, no good. Same ball. Del Barrio. Pass to Macaurog. Umatake sa gitna. No good. Good for 3 points. Garcino. Last 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Reyes sumalaksak. Good for 2 points. Reyes, last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng ball is live. Good for 2 points. Garcino. Reyes. Sa gitna. No good. Loose ball. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 15-19. Garcino, pass to Del Barrio, pass to Macaurog.
Bigay.
Pass to Garcino. Sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Brutas. Foul. Del Barrio. Del Barrio, first foul. First team foul.
Mayo.
No good, rebound by Magana. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds. 13 seconds. Shoot. Reyes, Bumeke, sumalaksak. Good for 2 points. Reyes, inbound by Del Barrio, pass to Garcino, pass to Macaurog. Macaurog, heras by Brutas. Lays up, no good. Last 1 minute and 31 seconds. Espanyol. Pinasa. Block by Brutas. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Garcino inbounding. Pass to Espanyol sa gitna. Good for 2 points. Espanyol inbound by Magana. Pass to Reyes. Foul Del Barrio. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Committed by Del Barrio. Inbounding Ruscuota. Pass to Reyes. Last 1 minute and 16 seconds. Ruscuota jump. No good. Rebound by Macaurog. Traveling violation. Macaurog, technical for delaying the game. Brutas, free throw line. No good.
Ball position.
same ball. Plus ball position tayo. Roscuota, pass to Reyes. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Pass to Santua. Santua drives. No good. Rebound by Magana. Pass to Roscuota. Block by Espanyol. Nakuha ni Macarod. Pass to Del Barrio. Last 55 seconds. Del Barrio sumulaksak. Nabitawan ng bola. Turnover. Last 53 seconds. Ginagamit mo daw ang moves ni ama mo. Reyes, crossover. Get inside. Traveling violation. Del Barrio inbounding the ball. Pass to Corsino. Haras by Reyes. Corsino. Derecho. Step back jump. No good. Nakuha ka ni Corsino. Last 34 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Del Barrio bumangga. No good. Rebound by Magana. Pass to Reyes. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. No good. No good. Last 12 seconds. 8 seconds shot clock. Last 5 seconds. Foul. Magana. First personal foul. Second team foul. Last 1. Last 2 seconds. No good. Buzzer na lang po. And
Madali. Shot. Ano daw?
beginning of the third quarter of the ball game. Official score 21-19. At na lang po ang kalamangan ng ball is live. Ay, mo pala.
Abutan mo nga na, Abudyo. Abudyo!
Oh, 22.
Abutan mo nga ni.
Dalawa pala. Barutas. Last 20 seconds shot. Barutas. Get inside. Plays up good for 2 points. Barutas. Napakagandang galaw. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Badinas. Pass to Giron. Pass to Del Barrio. Jump. No good. Rebound by Pasea. Steal by pass to Del Barrio. No good. No good. Rebound by Pasea. Pass to Roscuota. Pass to Brutas. Pass Santua. Arasa by Del Barrio. Pass to Brutas. Last 13 seconds shot clock. Brutas. No good. Turnover. Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Badinas. Setting a play. Pinasa kay Del Barrio sa gitna. Steal by Pasea. Pinasa kay Halim. Back to Pasea. Pass to Brutas. Pass to Santua. Steal by Badinas. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Sa ilalim kay Giron. Good for 2 points. Giron. Inbound Pasea, pass to Brutas. Pass to Santua. There's a foul, Gonzales. Second personal foul or first team foul. Santua inbounded the ball. Stepping on the line.
Nalingawan. Ay, break!
Sabrep! Buwata out. Reyes in.
Tuklaw!
Badinas. Pinasa kay Del Barrio. Pass to Rosales. Ay, Gonzales. No good. Rebound by there's a foul. Counted. Brutas. Second personal foul. First team foul. Sabre. Halim out. Magana. No good. No good. Rebound by Magana. Pass to Ibon. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Reyes. Spin move pass to Brutas. Brutas back to Reyes. Still by pass to Gonzalez. Double rebound. Ay, traveling violation. Bigay muna sa referee kasi hindi nag-shoot. Inbound by Brutas. Pass to Reyes. Naman isa Tua. Last 3 minutes. Unto. Na-rebound by Basea. Pass to Reyes. 3 seconds of violation. Del Barrio. Del Barrio attacks. No good. Rebound by Basea. Pass to Reyes. Harassed by Bandinas. Last 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Reyes. Pass to Basea. Pass to Magana. Jump. Good for 2 points. Magana, dalawa na lang po kalabangan. Last 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 21 na second shot clock. Gonzalez. Pass to Bandinas. Sa 3. No good. Rebound by Brutas. Pass to Reyes. Foul. Bandinas. Bandinas. First personal foul. Second team foul. Del Barrio out. Makaurong in. Inbound by Brutas. Pass to Reyes. Foul. Gonzalez. Gonzalez, third personal foul. Third team foul. Brutas, pass to Reyes. Reyes jump. Good for 3 points. Reyes. Change favor. Lamang po ng isang Loaban Brothers. Nasa 145 seconds. Corsino. Drives. Pass na lang kay Macorog. No good. Macorog again. No good. Rebound by Giron. Last 14 na second shot clock. Giron bumangga. No good. Corsino. No good again. Rebound by Basea. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Same ball. Last 21 seconds shot clock. Last 1 minute and 24 seconds. Pass to Brutas. Brutas sa 3. No good. Rebound by Basea. Same ball. Last 11 seconds shot clock. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 14 seconds. Got the ball by Corsino. Pass to Gonzalez. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds. Pass to Giron. Sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Magana. Pass to Basea. Steal by Corsino. Lays up. Good for 2 points. Change of favor. Last 50 seconds. Brutas. Pass to Reyes. Reyes haras by Bandinas. Pass to Magana. Jump. No good. Rebound by Macorog. Pass to Gonzalez. No good. Basea, last 30 seconds. Reyes haras by Corsino. Reyes attack. Counted foul. And one by Corsino. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sub-ref. Gonzalez out. Del Barrio in. Reyes. Reyes in the free throw line. No good. Rebound by Del Valle. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Badinas. Good for 2 points. Badinas. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang. End of the resumption of the final quarter of double game. Corsino. 17 seconds shot clock. Back to Corsino, pass to Giron sa ilalim. Rabili violation. Ibabay Balsaya. Pass to Reyes. Last 4 minutes and 41 seconds. 16 seconds shot clock. Reyes, no good. Inbound by Del Barrio. Gonzales. Rabili violation.
Sige ka mong tararapin naman yung passport.
Reyes. Back. Brutas pass to Magana jump. No good. Rebound by Giron. Reserve. Sabret. Rosales out. Batinas in. Rebound by Pasaya, pass to Reyes. Last 4 minutes. Job good for 3 points. Change favorable. The Looban brothers. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Sa tuwa. Corsti. Pass to Badinas. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Corsino, step back, jump. No good. Sabret. Gonzales out. Makaurog in. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Basaya pass to Reyes. Pass to Brutas. Brutas jump. No good. Rebound by Corsino. Pass to Giron. Giron drives, lays up, no good. Rebound by Magana. Pass to Reyes. Last 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Reyes. May hawak ng bola. Reyes nagpapadali, naghahanap ng pasahan. Pinasa kay Brutas. Brutas jump. Good for 3 points. Brutas running score 29-34. Last 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Block by Brutas. Nakuha ni Reyes. Reyes naghahanap ng pasahan. Pasa kay Gordon. Sa tuhod jump. Good for 2 points. Counted foul. 31. Del Barrio. Third personal foul. First team foul. Dalawa pa.
Oras.
Last 2 minutes and 41 seconds.
Daro pa muli sa araw kayo. Boy po, sama boy ako. Kaya sa luksuan.
Bonus shot award to Santua. Last 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Good for 1 point Santua. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds, Corsino. Pass to Del Barrio. Pass to Gonzalez, back to Corsino. Last 12 seconds shot clock. No good.
Corsino!
Inbound by Basea. Good for 2 points, Corsino.
Pagron, atake mo!
Bumangga. Offensive. By Giron. Second personal foul, Giron. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Foul. Corsino. Third personal foul, second team foul. Time out, ref. Call back. Lauban Brothers, meron pa kayong 2 time out. Pass to Bulutas. Estilo by Bandinas. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 56 seconds. Last 1 minute and 56. 56 seconds. Last 1 minute and 56 seconds. Pass to Basea, pass to Magana. Bakit na nagbalik? 31-37. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds. 31-37. Good for 3 points. Goodbye. Hello, Oban Brothers.
Nakaarog ako yun. Hindi ko nakuha.
Of the fourth and final quarter of the competition.
Gab, taro!
No good. Last 15 seconds shot clock. The traveling violation. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Brutas. Pass to Reyes. 8 seconds na violation.
Gab! Wag kayo
Last 1 minute and 27 seconds. Jerome pass to Corsino. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Jump! Good for 3 points. Deadlock 37. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Kuha mo!
Gonzalez. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. 18 second shot clock.
Kaya.
Del Barrio. Pass to Gonzalez. Pass to Giron. Last 9 seconds to shoot. Steal by Reyes. Reyes. Nagmamadali. Steal by Corsino. Pass to Gonzalez. Last 47. Time out, Red. Goodbye. Opa.
Third!
Inbound by Magana. Pass to Basea. Pass to Brutas. Last 43 seconds. Brutas. Steal by Del Barrio. Pass to Gonzalez. No good. Nakuha ni Magana. Pass to Basaya. Pass to Reyes. Last 28 seconds. Reyes lays up. Good for 2 points. Reyes last 24 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Deadlock 39. Last 15 seconds. Last 9 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Foul. Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Jersey number Corsino. Warning for foul out. Third team foul. Last 2 seconds. Last point 2.
Ma-extend pa. Overtime pa ang puta.
May tag-isa kayong time out. Inbound by Basaya, pass to Brutas. Brutas jump. No good. Rebound by Corsino. Pass to Giron, pass to Bandinas jump. Good for 2 points of Bandinas. Inbound by Basaya, pass to Reyes. Last 1 minute and 39 seconds. Steal by Bandinas. No good. Rebound by Brutas. Pass to Reyes. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Del Barrio pass to Corsino. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 18 second shot clock. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Rebound by Brutas. Pass to Reyes. Last 1 minute. Jump. No good. Last 54 seconds. Last 49 seconds. 35 seconds. 40 seconds. Del Barrio. Good for 2 points. Del Barrio. Steal by Giron. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 16 seconds shot clock. 20 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul of Brutas. Third personal foul. First team foul. 14 second shot clock. 17 seconds. Corsino. 15 seconds. 10 second shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 second shot clock. 3 second shot clock. End of the ball game.